Ушел туда.
Very much. You don't know my story. It happened to me some time ago. I was depressed and lonely. To enter out into signs of a misty evening. That was what I most loved to do. On that particular evening, I began my journey towards the hidden sea. I could feel the light breeze going on and on. I closed my eyes and stood very still. I imagined myself in the center of the plain. Hello! I cried to every star. Soft voice. I turned around and got lost in deep green eyes. One thing is clear. I love her.
Honey!
Stay away from me. Don't approach.
Absent from your mind and forgetting me quite.
You are cruel and weak to me, and not to be trusted anymore.
You have a strange opinion of me.
Have I?
I didn't wish to act against you.
But you did. You betrayed me. I fed up with your cheating.
You're mistaken, and you know nothing about me. About a sort of love I'm capable.
I know the sort of betrayal you can. It's quite enough.
I wish you just listen to me. You need not be jealous.
Where have you been? Who have you been with? How many times I won't of you just a promise. I will be yours.
I am yours.
Naked words. I wish us be quiet.
Do you mean to go one way in the world and let me go another?
I do.
Do you mean it now?
I do.
And now?
I do.
If I had done wrong, forgive me.
If, leave me forever.
Impossible.
Well, all is changed about me, and you must change too. I'm a writer and a magician, so I can turn you into anything. Into a dream, into a dream. Into a storm, into a storm, into a storm. Into dawn, into dawn. But I don't want to tie you to the ground. You are thinking of freedom. I set you free. I want you to be a girl. Who is he? What is he? Who speaks? Where are you? Where are you? Who are you with? Oh, it's only the wind. Are you in?
The door is open as usual.
Welcome back, Captain. Stop tower, Taylor.
I'm absolutely dying for a drink.
Yes, my throat is a bit dry.
All drunks. Volunteer for some beer?
A right thing? Last time I was here 5 years ago. Nothing has changed.
Small wonder for a bachelor.
Yes, I'm alone and unsociable. I've heard about your adventures in the North Sea.
We came back only yesterday. The voyage was absolute hell.
I suppose it did take rather a long time to get there.
Well, yes, we came across a lot of storms, huge polar bears, and no human. But we were astonished to meet an unknown bird.
You can't smoke in here.
She had a question. How many years can some birds fly before they're allowed to come back?
It's a taboo subject.
Aha, are you never going to forgive?
Never.
Do stop this. You did not use your trying to pretend you are indifferent to her. Do you think? I don't know how you feel. Let her come to you right away. It's what you want.
She is so tight and exhausted. She is the one for you, and you are fighting against all the time. Why?
She's only the shape standing before me. You don't realize how much I love this woman. I was just crazy about her.
You are two living creatures, a man and a woman, and the most natural thing for you is to be together.
You realize, of course, you're wasting the time.
Set you free.
Bye, guys. I have a lot of work to do.
You are afraid when I'm talking like that. Go.
No, no, I could forgive her, if only I was not in love. Look what a piece of luck! What on earth is happening?
You'll be strangely glad to see what we have caught. Such species has never been seen on our planet.
At any rate, on our island. That's what we wanted to show.
I shot it.
No. I'm shot her. Finally, you're come back to me, my beloved. I wanted to punish you. I wouldn't forgive you. But who will forgive me now?